little one. Let's go on an adventure. Not with our feet, but with our ears. We are going on a sound safari. Listen closely. What sounds will we find? The first sound is all around us. It is the sound of A. A says A, A, A. Can you say it? A, A, A. A little ant, ant, is crawling on a big red apple. The ant is so very small and the apple is so very sweet. Apple. What is that? B. It is the letter B. B says B. A big blue ball, ball, is bouncing by the big red apple. B, bounce. Hush now, someone is watching us from behind the bushes. K. It is the letter C. C says K. A clever cat. K, cat. The cat is wearing a colorful cap. K for cat. Do you hear that beat? D. It is the sound of D. D says D. Someone is playing a drum. A deep brown D drum. Let's tap along. D, drum. Oh my! Look who has come to hear the drumming. It is the letter E. E makes the sound eh. An enormous elephant is swaying its ears. Such big ears. For elephant. Near the elephant's feet, something small is sitting. It is the letter F. F makes a soft sound like the wind. F. A funny frog is waiting. Frog. He is hoping a fly comes buzzing by. For frog. The frog hops onto some grass. G. This is the sound for G. G says G. A gentle goat is grazing on the green grass. G. Goat. Munching away happily. G for goat. Phew, the sun is quite warm now. H. This sound comes from the letter H. H says H. I should wear my hat. My happy hat. H for hat. Oh, be careful. On the table, there is a little bottle. Eh. It is the sound of I. I says eh. The bottle is full of dark blue ink. We must not spill it. Eh for ink. Next to the ink is something much tastier. J. This is the sound for letter J. J says J. A jar of yummy strawberry jam. What a joy! J for jam. Look up in the sky. K. It is the letter K. K says K. A colorful kite is dancing in the wind. A king of the sky. K for kite. Back on the ground, under a big shady tree, a very sleepy sound. L. The sound of letter L. L says L. A lazy lion is licking his large paws. L for lion. Who is chattering in the tree above the lion? Hmm, hmm. It is the letter M. M says, hmm. A mischievous monkey is munching on a magnificent mango. Yummy mango. The monkey is sitting on a branch near a little brown n, n, n. The sound of N. N says n. A neat little nest with tiny eggs inside. N for nest. Something just rolled out from behind the tree. It is round. O, O, O. This is the sound of letter O. O says O. And O, orange. An orange colored orange. O for orange. Arey wah! What a pretty bird! P, p, p. This is the sound for letter P. P says P. A pretty parrot with green feathers. P, p, parrot, perched on a plant. P for parrot. Now we must be quiet. Qua, qua, qua. This is the sound for Q. Q says qua. A quiet queen is resting on a chair covered in a warm qua quilt. Qua for queen. Oh, something just rushed past. Rrr, rrr. The sound of the letter R. R says rrr. A rabbit is running really fast. Rrr, rrr, for rabbit. Let's look up again. What makes everything so bright and warm? S, s. The sound of S. S says S. The sun is shining in the sky. A super smiling sun. S for sun. And in the tall grass, we see stripes. T, t, t. This is the sound of letter T. T says T. A terrific tiger is tapping its long tail. T, t, tiger. Suddenly, a drop of water. And another. The sound for letter U. U says It's starting to rain. We must go under an umbrella. For umbrella. How will we get home? Voo, voo, voo. I hear the sound of V. V says voo. A van is waiting for us. A vibrant violet van. Voo, voo, for van. Before we go, we must have a drink. W, w, w. The sound for W. W says w. Some cool, wonderful water from the well. W for water. Let's put all our safari treasures in a box. The sound for X is a funny one. It sounds like X. We hear it at the end of box and fox. Can you hear it? X. After our safari, what shall we eat? Yeah, yeah, yeah. The sound of Y. Y says yeah. Some yummy yellow yogurt. Yeah, please. Yeah, for yogurt. And now it is time to rest. Z, z, z. The sound for the last letter, Z. Z says Z. A sleepy zebra with zigzag stripes is dreaming of the zoo. Z, z for zebra. What a journey! From ant to zebra. We found all the sounds. You are now a super sound explorer. You can find these sounds all around you
every single day. Listen closely. The adventure is just beginning. Well done, little one.